Hey everyone! Today we are cooking the easiest no-bake chocolate banana dessert. No eggs, no flour, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for when you want something sweet and quick. So let's get started. Here I have the warm milk we heated earlier, and now I'm adding the gelatin to it. Make sure your milk is warm, not hot, so the gelatin dissolves smoothly without forming any lumps. And now, we just whisk it well until the gelatin is fully dissolved. Now we're adding the vanilla for extra flavor. Next we add the cocoa powder. Make sure to sprinkle it in gradually so it mixes in smoothly. Finally, we add the sugar and give everything a really good mix until it's completely smooth and well combined. Once everything is well mixed, we add the cream. Pour it in slowly and keep stirring so it blends smoothly with the mixture and gives us a rich, creamy texture. Now we add the biscuits to our mixture. First, I lightly coat them in the mixture so they soften a bit. This helps them blend better and gives the dessert a smoother texture. Next, we use a mixer to blend everything together. This helps make the mixture really smooth and creamy, ensuring all the ingredients are fully combined without any lumps. Once the mixture is well blended, I take our bananas, chop them into large pieces, and fold them into the mixture. This adds a fresh, fruity flavor and gives the dessert a nice, chunky texture. Now, we mix everything again with the mixer until we get a smooth, uniform texture. This ensures the bananas are evenly incorporated and the dessert becomes creamy and perfectly blended. Now our mixture is ready and has reached this thick, creamy consistency. You can see it holds its shape well, but is still soft enough to spread easily. Now, we spoon the mixture into our serving dishes and let it rest in the fridge for 2 hours. This allows it to set properly and the flavors to come together, giving us a creamy, chilled dessert. And that's it! Our no-bake chocolate banana dessert is ready to enjoy. Super easy, creamy, and absolutely delicious. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.